Good day everyone, this is your friend Jack, and in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to archive a class in Google Classroom. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Google Classroom is one of the most very popular learning management system that is free to use and accessible to everyone as long that you have a Gmail account and then you have an internet connection. So here I have several classes here. In order for us to archive a certain class, we select a specific class. In this example guys, I want to archive computer 1A. So we simply go in this particular class by clicking the triple dots here with the use of our mouse and then select archive. It will display a message on our screen: archive computer. Archiving a class causes it to be archived for all participants. Archived classes can't be modified by teachers or students unless they are restored. This class will be moved to your archived classes. Files will remain in Google Drive. And then click Archive. As we can see here, I have only from 5 classes, I have only 4 classes. So if we go here, click this main menu, and then we go to archive classes. So the class computer 1A is being archived. So that's it. That's very simple in Google Classroom on how to archive a class. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.